Hi guys! Welcome to Sand Vibe channel. Today we're coloring a rainbow with sand, and I'm going to tell you a short, funny story. One day, the blue sky started to cry. The cloud said, "Don't worry, sky. After the rain, a rainbow will come with lots of colors and giggles." Then the rainbow popped up, wiggled a little, and said, "Hello, children. I'm here to make you laugh and to show you my colors from the bottom to the top." Purple said, "I'm the color of magic and also grape juice. Just don't spill me on the carpet." Blue said, "I'm calm like the sky, but if you tickle me, I'll splash water like the ocean waves." Green giggled, "I'm soft like grass, but hey, don't sit on me, I'm ticklish." Yellow shouted, "I'm bright like Miss Sun, and I love to play hide and seek with the clouds." Orange laughed, "I'm tasty like oranges and silly like pumpkin faces on Halloween." Red said, "I'm strong like apples and full of love, but careful, sometimes I blush too much." The clouds clapped and said, "Hooray! The rainbow is not just colorful, it's super funny too." The rainbow laughed and shouted, "Whenever the rain ends, I'll come back with colors and jokes to make you smile every time." Here on Sand Vibe channel, I make your world colorful with sand and full of happy, funny stories. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next painting and story.